Yes, Mr. Scrooge.
Who is this?
It's Mr. Applegate, sir. He's here to talk to you about your mortgage. Please, Scrooge, I know you're very angry about this. I didn't mean to fall behind in the payments.
Lord knows! It being Christmas and all.
Oh, please, sir, don't shout at me. And of course, Gwen, well, her lungs are just not right. The doctor takes his share, don't he? I mean, you can yell and scream, you're right, but it won't do no good. And I'm the stone that you can't squeeze blood from. And that's the truth. Thank you for not shouting at me, sir.
Let us deal with the application notices for tomorrow, Mr. Cratchit.
But tomorrow is Christmas, sir.
Very well, you may gift wrap them. Christmas is a very busy time for us, Mr. Cratchit. People preparing feasts and giving parties, spending the mortgage money on frivolities. Some might say that the December is the foreclosure season. Harvest time for the moneylanders.
If you please, Mrs. Scrooge, it's gotten colder, and the bookkeeping staff would like an extra shovel of coal for the fire. Please, sir, we can't do the bookkeeping. Our pens are frozen, and our sets are also frozen.
How would the bookkeepers like to be suddenly unemployed?
Hello, Uncle. Merry Christmas, Uncle Scrooge. God save ya.
Merry Christmas. Bah, humbug.
Christmas a humbug, Uncle? Oh, you don't mean that, surely.
Actually, I think I did. Merry Christmas, you say? You don't even have the right to be married. You're poor enough.
What right do you have to be dismal? You're rich enough.
If I can work my will, every idiot that goes about with Merry Christmas on their lips will be cooked with its own turkey and buried with a stake of holly through his heart.
Oh, Uncle. Yes. Although it's never put a scrap of gold or silver in my pocket, I believe that Christmas has done me good and will do me good. And I say, God bless it. Yes, good for you, Fred. And good to you, too, Mr. Cratchit.
And how does one spend Christmas on the unemployment line?
Merry Christmas, Uncle, and a Happy New Year.
Bah, humbug.
Now in these times it was customary for on Christmas Eve a good gentleman to call upon business. Making donations for the poor and homeless. Mr. Scrooge, I presume.
Who are you?
We're from the order of our Victorian Charity Foundation. We'd like to speak to you about a donation. Many of us feel that we need to take care of our poor and homeless.
And is there no prisons or poorhouses?
Oh, plenty of those, sir.
Oh, excellent. For a moment I was worried.
What might I put you down for?
Nothing.
You wish to remain anonymous?
I wish to be alone. Make merry myself at Christmas. This is certainly true. I cannot afford to make idle people merry.
There are prisons and poorhouses for the homeless to go, but some would rather die.
If they're gonna die, they better do it and decrease the surplus population. That is a door. You may use it.
I certainly will. Excuse me, Mr. Scrooge. It appears to be closing time.
Very well. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
But, sir, tomorrow's Christmas. Sir, can we please have the whole day off?
The whole day? Fine. But be here even earlier the next morning.
Yes, sir. great business partners in life. And now, because you and me were so selfish and greedy for our money, you just put me in these chains for life. I've come to warn you that 3 spirits will visit you tonight and hopefully change your ways.